It looks like they're all ready to go. There's a Z Master, a John Deere, a Grasshopper, another Z, another Z, a Husqvarna, Alice, just like that Simplicity I got. John Deere, skid loader, a Ferris. There's an Aaron's. There's a Warrior, whatever that is. The drive belt is off of this one. Runs good. And this old Simplicity is the only one that didn't have running. There's a Gale skid loader. John Deere. Z, the Simplicity, another John Deere. There's a great big Kubota track skidder. There's a John Deere and another John Deere. There's a Massey Ferguson tractor, loader, four-wheel drive, mower. The blade come with it, sell separate. And the Grasshopper. There's a Ferris. Big Bobcat. Yeah. And here's a bunch of Z Masters. They all look about the same. They all run good. And whatever. Here's a little Aaron's Zoom. And there's an old Simplicity. Runs good, it's got a flat tire. There's a Case skid loader. There's another Toro, two Toros. Another Case skid loader. There's an RK, 21 horse. It's a rototiller loader, mower, blade, bale forks. Here's a John Deere 2940. There's a Steiner mower. There's a landscape utility trailer. Some skid loader attachment buckets. And a rototiller with a seeder. Two grapple buckets. And the last one here is a Hustler Raptor. Kind of old looking, but it runs good. Alright, that's about it of it. I'm going to bring in some small stuff, and they're going to sell a bunch of trees and a few other things. Alright, time to go home.